Man creates 3D printed mouse with display. Keyboard fitted into it. A man has created a 3D printed mouse which has a color display and a slide-out keyboard fitted into it and works like a computer. It uses Raspberry Pi Zero-W development board with a single-core 1 GHz CPU with 512 MB RAM. The tiny computer also has features such as Bluetooth and Wireless LAN. Snap CFO Tim Stone resigns in 8 months. Shares drop 8%. Tim Stone, Snap's chief financial officer, has resigned from the Snapchat parent within 8 months of joining. Snap's stock went down about 8% in after-hours trading on Tuesday. Tim has made a big impact in his short time and we're very grateful for his hard work. Tim's transition is not related to any disagreement with us, CEO Evan Spiegel wrote. U.S. company Yelp tries to remove bugs on app. AI deletes everything. US-based local search service Yelp has revealed that they had trained a neural net to eliminate all the bugs on its app, but it deleted everything on the app. We had to roll everything back. To be fair, we were 100% bug-free. Briefly, the company joked. We apologize to anyone who had problems with the app this week, Yelp said. Qualcomm refused to provide chips for 2018 iPhones. Apple COO Jeff Williams has said Qualcomm refused to provide modem chips for the 2018 iPhones after Apple sued the chipmaker in 2017. Williams added that Qualcomm's royalty fee of $7.50 per iPhone is too high. The U.S. sued Qualcomm alleging the company used its dominant position to force customers to use its products and charge high patent licensing fees.